Safe Social Media for Seniors, a step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to our animated guide on how to use social media safely for seniors. In today's digital age, staying connected with friends and family has never been easier, but it's essential to use social media platforms safely. Let's dive into the steps to ensure a secure and enjoyable online experience. Setting the stage. First things first, let's choose a device that suits your needs. Whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone, make sure you're comfortable with the device you're using. Choosing the right platform. Next, choose a social media platform that aligns with your interests. Facebook is great for connecting with friends and family, while Instagram and Twitter offer a more visual experience. Setting up your profile. When creating your profile, be mindful of the information you share. Use a strong, unique password, and avoid using personal details like your full address or phone number. Privacy settings. Now, let's talk about privacy. Adjust your account settings to control who can see your posts and who can connect with you. This ensures you're sharing information only with those you trust. Recognizing scams. Seniors are often targeted by scammers. Be cautious of friend requests or messages from unknown individuals. If something feels off, trust your instincts and report suspicious activity. Cybersecurity tips. Stay cybersecure by keeping your device's software up to date and installing a reputable antivirus program. This adds an extra layer of protection against online threats. Digital etiquette. Practice good digital etiquette. Be respectful in your interactions, avoid sharing misinformation, and think before you post. Remember, what you share online can have a lasting impact. Staying informed. Stay informed about the latest features and potential risks on your chosen platform. Most social media platforms have help centers with valuable resources to enhance your online experience. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of social media while staying safe and connected with your loved ones. Remember, it's never too late to embark on a digital journey and explore the vast world of social media. Happy connecting! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe and happy exploring.